Hello students, let us see your lesson topic, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. As you have learnt earlier, linear equations in one polynomial represent a single straight line. In the same way, a pair of linear equation or a linear equation in two variables, what does it denote? You can say, for example, it may represent x plus y is equal to 2, or it may say x minus y is equal to 5. So these are the linear equations in two variables. So what does it denote? As all of you know, first it will denote a straight line. So understand that linear equation with 1 degree, linear means degree 1. So it will represent a straight line. So how to solve? What is the solution? हा प्रश्न पडला ना तुम्हाला. What is the solution? If you have two lines, then what will be the solution? Take an example. You have two lines, one like this, two pair of lines, another one, or another one, what can you say about this? These are the three different solutions, the different types of the lines. So what is first one denoting? As all of you know, by looking visually you can understand this is parallel lines. So these are parallel, these are intersecting, and these are coincident or coinciding. So depending on these three situations, you have different situations or solutions. What will be the first solution? First, parallel lines which have no solution, these are called inconsistent. A pair of equations, linear equations which have no solution, are inconsistent equations. Take an example of inconsistent equations, linear inconsistent equation. What can you say? One equation may be x plus y is equal to 10, and other equation may be 2x plus 2y equal to 15. See how I am writing. You can understand. You can try it on the GeoGebra or graphical solution. You can see the answer. Let us take the another one, intersecting. Take an example, intersecting equation. One example may be, intersecting means, as you can see here, you have one solution, a unique solution. So what is intersecting? These equations are called as consistent equations. Consistent equations. How can you represent? Take one example. Another one which was I have given you first, that may be the equation, or you may have x plus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. These equations are the examples of consistent equations. You have a unique solution. Take third one, coincident or coinciding. Or you can say dependent equations. So these are also consistent and they have infinitely many solutions. As you can see here? Two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So what these two equations represent? They are coinciding over each other. So you have many points in common. You can say, you can take 1.2 or another one, which are, there are many points, infinitely many points which are coincident. So you can have many solutions. Example of this equation may be, I will tell you one example. 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. You can say 4x minus 4y is equal to 8. Do you get something? Now observe all these three equations, pair of equations. Do you get something? तुम्हाला काही यात दिसतंय? साम्य. You can see this is a coefficient, b, and this is constant c. A, b, and constant c. So what do you get? For inconsistent, you can take this as a1 upon b1, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Next, sorry, a1 upon a2. This next will be b1 upon b2, which is again 1 upon 2. And c, that is constant, c1 upon c2, which will be 10 upon 15, means it will be 2 upon 3. So what do you get for inconsistent equations? These two are equal, but c, constant, is not equal. So you get a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, not equal to c1 upon c2. By observation you can understand that these two equations are inconsistent, or you can say parallel. Real life situation आठवते तुम्हाला? Parallel lines. If you have parallel lines, they will never meet each other. So if they are in one plane, they will not meet each other. They are on different planes. विचार करा, दोन प्लेन्स आहेत तुमच्याकडे. एक उभी भिंत आहे, एक आडवी भिंत आहे, किंवा प्लेन्स अदर दॅन प्लेन्स आर नॉट इंटरसेक्टिंग each other. Then you have again inconsistent equation. But if planes are intersecting, then you get consistent. So think of intersecting equations or consistent equation, you get unique solution. In one plane, you are considering this one plane, you have two lines, and what will be see the comparison of a1 and coefficients of x and y and constant. a1 upon a2 काय मिळाला तुम्हाला? 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2, what do you get? 1 upon minus 3. c1 upon c2, you get 2 upon 7. What can you observe? All the three coefficients are not equal. So the ratio a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, not equal to c1 upon c2. These are consistent. And the third one, coincident or dependent equations. These are also consistent, but they have infinitely many solutions. So what do you get here? a1 upon a2, 2 upon 4, that is equal to 1 upon 2 again. So for the third, what you get? Equation says 2x minus 2y is equal to 4, and second equation is 4x minus 4y is equal to 8. Let us see the ratio. a1 upon a2, that will be your 2 upon 4. So what will be? It will be by dividing by 2, you get 1 upon 2. Next, b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 2 upon minus 4, that is again 1 upon 2, minus cancel होणार. c1 upon c2, you get 4 upon 8. Again it is equal to 1 upon 2. So you get here a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So what do you understand? That these are having many solutions because all the three ratios are common, equal. So you get infinitely many solutions. You can also consider, एक हेही लक्षात ठेवायचं तुम्हाला, equation should be written in the form a1x plus by plus c, or you may consider it as ax plus by is equal to c. But understand that this ratio c should be written properly. So these are the three different conditions of linear equations in two variables. Thank you. Watch my next video for the solution, graphical solution, and subscribe the channel also. Thank you all of you.